So guys, if you guys can see, the stock is now trading at 304. We short sold at 305.80 somewhere. So hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, today is 22nd of July and the time is almost 9:30 now. So before we see our pre-open market, let's see how the SGX Nifty is performing. So guys, SGX Nifty is almost 0.87% up. It went almost till 1% up. Now right now it's trading at 15,745. So yesterday you can see this the SGX Nifty closed in a down movement, that is in a downtrend, almost like 15,557 something. But today once the market opened, it really went up. Okay, so that's the reason why our market is also opening in a gap up section, 0.67% gap up. 15,736.60 is where our Nifty is opening today. Advances stocks are 42, declines are 6, and unchanged is 2 stocks. So right now it's open in the gap up section. So let's see how the market will perform also. Okay, when that matters. So right now we can see the Indelco is a gap up opening stock. So Indelco have given in yesterday's video to trade for today, which you can observe for today. So it's a gap up, good thing. So 1.88% up. Indus India Bank with 1.87% up. And now let's see the stock which is up in the most gap down section, that is Asian Paint with 0.92% down, and Bajaj Finance with 2.28% down. So this is how the pre-open market has opened. So pre-open market looks good, opened in a gap up section. So we'll see how the stock will also perform today. Okay, so this is how the market has opened. So I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to a stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course today. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Yes, right now I have selected Tata Motors to trade, and we shall short sell this stock now. We have short sold around 305.70. Now let's wait for the stock to come down. So we are holding the short sell position of Tata Motors. So guys, if you guys can see, the stock is now trading at 304. We short sold at 305.80 somewhere. So yes, it has given almost 1 rupee target now. So let's see if we can book 0.5% target around 303.80 somewhere. I can take my exit, it will be 2 rupees. So guys, says as I was expecting, my target has hit. 303.70 is a low made, as you guys can see. Okay, this is where the low has made, and we booked a profit. Okay, so yeah, I don't have to wait for more targets because the market is 1% up now, and I was already a short sell position. That's why I just quickly exited with my 0.5% target. And so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's state of Tata Motors. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques in intraday trading, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. the link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.